Hello, my name is Dr. Till. I'm a transformational leadership coach and breathwork teacher. I've got a question for you. Did you in the past weeks, months, or even years ever come across a point in your life where you thought, gosh, I wish I had less of this stress and tension in my life. I wish I could experience joy, presence, and true empowerment more often instead. Well, I for sure felt this way many times in my past. And most of the thousands of high-achieving clients I had the honor to serve over my last 3 decades of professional career as well. So if this applies to you, join me in my masterclass, Breakthrough Breathwork, from stress to new energy and clarity. In this 2-hour virtual live masterclass, you will discover the power of breath to quickly reduce stress and find the reset button for your nervous system. You will transform and release stuck emotions, and most of all, you will experience an enormous uplift in energy. And with that, new clarity on the most relevant topics in your current life. So click below for more details and to register today. I can't wait to see you in my masterclass. Thank you and bye for now.